Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm actually at work right now, but this is just, I think I either forgot, which actually, okay, I don't think, I doubt I really forgot, because if I watch the next clip, if you watch the next clip, you're gonna see there was something else before this. Either I didn't record, which I think it did, or when I transferred everything to my computer, I missed it and I deleted everything on my phone because I needed space. But anyway, this is just the start of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, so I'm just assembling the D16A1 or ZC. I'm just assembling it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I will add to that part now. So go. I've already got it on the stand. I got my dad to help me lift it onto the stand because last week I was struggling to get these bolts for the longest time because it needs to be long enough, but I finally got them. I got 4, but then the 4th one is a starter bolt. But either way, so yeah, I got them on the stand already. I'm just gonna try to pull it out to here somewhere, and then I'm gonna drain the oil, and then I'm gonna clean it off with some brake clean and a brush. I actually bought some trays also, or a tray so that you can get caught in there. And yeah, and I'm just gonna bring you guys with the process. Okay, this is the first for me now. So my car, Lara, the 1300, the sum plug is a 19. It's a 19 socket, 19 spanner. This this engine is a 24 socket. And I don't even flipping have a 24 spanner. This is the first, I've never seen a flipping sum plug this big. I wonder who did the service on this engine. Just focus there quickly. There we go. That white stuff you see, no man, focus. That white stuff you're seeing there is, I don't know what the flip it's called, but in plumbing, like when it comes to like piping and stuff in your house, then they wrap that white stuff around the thread of whatever nut it is, and then they thread that in. So it's like to seal it, but this is not supposed to be for engine use. But okay. Okay, oil is drained. Now for some brake parts cleaner. You know what? Time that food bit. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. And that will just have to do for now. Okay, I'm gonna start taking some stuff off the block out. Off the engine, put it right there. Yeah, so remember how rusted this pipe that goes to the water pump on my car was? Look at this one. It's even worse. So I will take this to an engineering place just to get this redone. If they can make a new one, I'll let them do that, but if not, I just want them to weld that nice, and then obviously weld this side nice after I get this thermostat housing off. Okay, I'm struggling to get that bolt and that bolt off. And I'm probably gonna struggle to get that bolt too. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna take the head off with the intake manifold off, and then I'll struggle with it afterwards. Because this bolt is actually rounding. The bolt is actually rounding, so yeah. A little bit of blind there, man. Don't fuss, but it seems. Just a little fuss. I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did with the other core. Finally managed to get the tap cover off, and the gasket kind of broke in multiple places. Right, let's get this head off here. So I have to get this crankshaft. I need to get the cams off. I got all the bolts loose, so just for my own reference, and what I've also just discovered is all the bolts on the outside, all these bolts on the outside all short, and all the bolts on the inside are all long. You can actually see the difference there, completely different. So this is also all just for my own reference, so that when I put back together I can go back to this video and check it out. Yeah, that they should all be the same. So I'm just going to take all of these out now. I'm going to store them in there, in the valve cover, and then, yeah. Ooh, that would have been catastrophic if that flippin' spark plug wasn't in there. Can't make a mistake like that. Righto. I got the intake I got the intake cam off over there after a while of struggling because I didn't actually know what I'm doing. If I'm honest, I still technically don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there's shavings inside there. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna check on that now. I still technically don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna catch this on film also, just for you guys. Just like that, it's finally off. Okay, so this head actually might not be usable. Let me just find what I just found now. Yes, and if you guys can see that scratch, that's not supposed to look like that. And then on there also, there's quite a bit of scratches on this one over there. But luckily I have two heads, so I'll just see. Maybe this can be regrinded down or polished or whatever, but I've got another head, so hopefully that one is clean. I want to try and take that fitting off, because that fitting is going to need to go. I don't like how rusted that looks, because that's how rusted my one looked on my car, on the white car, and it ended up breaking. So I rather want to try to get this done now before I install everything. Okay, after a long struggle, I finally got it off. Got the sensor off also, but I got the main fitting that I needed to get off, which is over here. There we go. As you can see, just look what it did to the bolt. What this motherfucker here did to the bolt. That actually just was just rounding the bolt, and this gripped it, and then did that to it, not the bolt or whatever. So this I'm going to take to an engineering place, get them to cut that off, put a new one on, and then get them to weld the nut on there, just like they did with my car. And then yeah, I think the head is ready to come off now. The intake manifold I'm going to get off when I get the head off, because that, not that bolt, but the two bolts at the bottom I'm struggling to get off. So even my dad tried, so I'm rather just going to take the head off and then I'll try from there. Okay, I got the head off. After a long struggle with that my dad helped me with, we got the intake manifold also off. And yeah, I'm actually quite happy with how this looks. Like, the corrosion isn't so bad. It's quite similar to my car's one. And also got the head gasket also off, which wasn't blown. The corrosion, I'm also not so like upset about. I can't say upset about, but I'm not like, the corrosion actually isn't so bad either. And also I don't think this block's gonna need to be schemed. Doesn't seem so bad in between the sleeves, but obviously I have to check when I clean the block off properly. But yeah, I got quite a bit more done, which I'm happy about. And yeah. Okay guys, it's actually been a couple days now. I'm not gonna say, I guess I don't want to say it's a new day, because it is a new day, but it's just been a couple days. The last few clips is over a couple days. And yeah, so now it's now youth day. So I've managed to pull now during the day, so I've managed to just pull my mom's car out, and I'm gonna be working on the engine here now. I'm gonna take the crank out today, and there's a couple other stuff I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it all off camera. I don't think you guys really want to see any of that stuff, but it's not gonna be on the engine. And also I decided to use the camera today and not my phone. So I might as well get this done too. Oh, there's a lot of metal shavings in there. Let's take off the little catch. Yo, that's a... Okay, I'll show you guys all the parts afterwards. I feel like the crank journal has to come off first. a bit that great. Maybe I should push instead. Okay, ladies and gents, I think the camera's space is gonna run out soon, but I got all the bolts loose. Just wanted to show you guys. Look at all of that. That's from the oil pan. And then this one was very surprising to me. Look at that. So yeah, I got all these bolts loose on the side. I think I'm gonna do the same on this side because I think this has to come out to get the crank journal out, if I'm right. I have the hold on. I have the service manual on my laptop, but I don't know if I don't feel like looking at it now, and I can't really remember if you take that ends off. I mean, it does say you take that ends off, but also doesn't look like it should, but at the same time it does. So I've already got the crank journal bolts loose, so I'm just gonna continue loosening everything else and we should be Gucci, but I'm gonna get everything that I can on film. Okay, so just now in editing, I just realized I actually lost a freak lot of vlog footage. Between this point where I'm busy taking off the crank bolts, not the crank bolts, the journal bolts, there's supposed to be a lot more footage. I just realized it's all gone. But that's because I took it off my phone, put it on my laptop and deleted it off my phone. But I think I might have missed a lot of stuff. I do apologize, guys, but most of the main things are there. I'll try to do better at that next time. Okay, got the oil pump off. I don't know how to check I don't know how to test to see if the oil pump is working as it's supposed to be, but I'll find out. I'm gonna try to replace it anyway. When I say try, I mean, I don't know if they sell these things anymore, but I'm gonna make sure I can get to replace this. Got that crank journal off. That's what. Wait, there's bearings. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a look at those again another time. Oh, like when I'm done here. But yeah, I don't think that's supposed to look like it. I mean, it doesn't seem very worn, but I think it is a little bit worn. I mean, looking at the thickness also of the bearings, those are actually quite thick. Wasn't expecting them to be that thick. Okay, so what you guys are currently looking at is screenshots that I sent my friends of the clips that I took. There is cylinder 3 that looks like that. But yeah, I seem to have lost a freak lot of footage, a lot more than I expected, and I do apologize once again, guys, but I'm gonna have to end the vlog right over here. Hope you guys enjoyed what I could get out of you, and hopefully the next video I won't mess up like this again. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.